Your car needs to have a tire inflated, a battery boosted, 35 times to boost the battery, run a smartphone, and more. With the red terminal facing up, open up the door, plug in, the unit turns on. To turn on the unit, you can either press on the light or the on button. To turn off the unit, again, it is a long press. Pressing the light will turn the unit on, and we are ready to get charging. There is a red indicator and green indicator. You simply take the negative and positive with the nice large clips as they open up. They go over the terminal. We have a green for go. If you have a red, that means you got issues, that your battery is too low of a voltage. You are at 16.4 volts. You could check the voltage by a short press. 3.3 volts. Turn the unit on, wait for the green, start your car. As we start our car, the unit starts to blink, says we're good. 15.4 volts. We could disconnect. If we have issues, we restart. We have up to 35 times with the starter. In this setup, you're going to press the BAR 100% in 5 seconds. We have a forced start. So when you start to touch these together, they're going to show a spark. And this will allow you to now start your car. As you can see, the spark. And now you're able to start your car. Some cars require a few minutes to boost, charge the battery, and then start. When all completed, pull off and complete it. Remember to shut the machine off to recycle. Pick a tire that needs to have a PSI reading. Inflate it. Take the hose out. Screw into the stem on the side. Set up your stem and valve. Place on and lock down. Turn the unit on and adjust for the PSI. The machine will automatically shut off when it reaches the PSI, and simply hit the button to pump. If we need a light, we press the light. We have a solid light, a flicker, and an SOS, and off. If the unit is not strong enough with battery, it will not pump or do anything. Then you have to go and recharge. Pumping up bicycle pumps is simple as putting in the stem and valve. When it automatically reaches the PSI, simply remove and shut off. Shine a light so you can see your work. Long press shuts off. The JA400 can boost your car, charge your phone, and more. It has a flashlight, is an inflator. It comes in a nice carrying case. It comes with the Schrader, and it comes with inflators and a volleyball, soccer, football valve. You get the included hose, the USB-A to C and USB-C to C cable to fast charge your unit. It takes about an hour to fully charge. It has 35 times of boost, 1750 amps for a 12-volt system. 150 PSI to pump up a tire inflated in no time. It is for 7.5 liter and 5.5 liter gas and diesel. It is with reverse polarity protection, spark proof, and IP63 rating. Everything you need for your car needs, all in one. I hope you enjoy the product and check online for further detail about the models you are looking for. Enjoy your product if this is right for you.